We now move into a mellow composition that invokes Lord Narayana with humility and surrender. Narayanate Namo is a timeless devotional composition set in the graceful Bihag Ragam and structured in Adi Talam. Penned by the saint poet Annamacharya, this Kriti is a heartfelt salutation to Lord Narayana, extolling his compassion, protection, and divine presence in the lives of devotees. This presentation is particularly special as it marks the official debut performance of our dedicated adult students. Balancing professional, family, and personal commitments, these dancers have demonstrated extraordinary perseverance, discipline, and passion for the art form. Their journey is a testament to the belief that devotion and determination have no age limit. Choreographed by Guru Sirisha Avadhanam, this piece blends expressive abhinaya with graceful movements, allowing the dancers to embody surrender, faith, and gratitude through the Kuchipudi tradition. Please join me in warmly encouraging Bhanu Prasanna Kalaga, Shivani Nishyadam Dasika, Swati Bande, Saumya Vinnakonta, Satya Sanagana, Divya Gudipati, Aishwarya Surendranath, and Lakshmi Krishna Papanna Timiraju as they present Narayanate Namo set in Bihag Ragam, Adi Talam, composed by Annamacharya and choreographed by Guru Sirisha Avadhanam.